Are your favorite patterns looking worn out? This tutorial will give some tips for taking care of your pattern pieces so they can be used again and again. Handling, folding, and pinning tissue paper patterns can make the patterns fall apart sooner. Instead of pinning, consider using a rotary cutter and mat. Put clear tape over marks and use a hole puncher to punch out so it's easier to mark. You can also cut out dart sections on one side and fold it back so they're easier to mark with less handling. Make copies of your patterns by tracing them. You can use a lightweight clear plastic painter's tarp about 4 mil in thickness, which can be found in a hardware store. It's easy to trace whatever size pattern you want to use and the plastic will last. Just keep it away from hot irons. Or if you plan on using a rotary cutter, trace your patterns on poster board. The best way to store these is by hanging them up like on a pants hanger. Are your patterns already cut out and you want to make them more durable? You can actually apply lightweight fusible interfacing to the wrong side of your pattern pieces. Make sure to smooth and press patterns before applying interfacing. If you don't want to commit to a particular pattern size because maybe you have to make the same pattern in multiple sizes, you don't have to cut them out. Instead, put strips of transfer paper between the pattern and fabric, making sure the darker side of the transfer paper is against the fabric. Put in a couple pins to hold in place. Then use a tracing wheel and go over the size you want on the pattern. This will mark the lines directly onto the fabric. Transfer paper comes in a variety of colors, so choose the one right for your project. If you're worried about the tracing wheel damaging the pattern, put tape over the lines for support. Instead of trying to stuff your patterns back into the pattern envelope, use a manila envelope, taping the pattern envelope to the front. This makes it easier and you'll be able to put the patterns into the envelopes without stuffing them. If you have any tips for making patterns last, let us know in the comments below. Our book, Professor Pincushin's Beginner Guide to Sewing, Garment Making for Nervous Newbies, is now available to order. Go to professorpincushion.com/books or click on the link in the description to see a list of vendors where you can purchase it.